Hey folks, welcome to Success Challenge 17 YouTube channel. Thank you for making time by. Now let's look at PAIDERA. PAIDERA really is one of the best get to pay to do multiple tax sites where you can make money simply by doing simple tax, by completing surveys and taking quizzes and much more. And you can earn each of these just from home without any experience. You don't need this investment, no credit card required, it's totally free. And this is worldwide and it's for everybody, irrespective of your location. Check in the description of the video, go claim it. It's very easy to do. You don't need to miss this. Let me quickly log into my account area. Well, it's fresh money. I've just earned some $7 for myself. So this is very easy to do. Everyone can do it worldwide. And the good thing is that PAIDERA has got a Telegram channel where you can join over 14,000 people worldwide who are doing it. And then they give you updates on it every now and then. Now we have got a couple of tax you can do. You can do tax and earn money. Okay? A couple of tax that you can actually perform offers are there for you to take and earn cents. Have you seen? Free of charge. You're not paying anything. And your account is credited instantly after the offer. You have got a couple of tax. You can come check it out. You have got service. Service will also pay you. Using very short and simple service. You can see that some of them will actually require some number of referrals. But don't worry. Every now and then they are coming up. Others are coming. You don't need to have referrals. You can just contact them and then you get your account credited. And remember, once you hit $30, you can withdraw instantly. So this is a very great site to actually make side income from. This will not make you a millionaire, but you can make money from here and pay for the utilities. And also, you can invest the money in other businesses that will then bring you in more money and more money and more money. So don't miss this. It's a great opportunity to make money from home. Okay, you have got a lot of them. You have also got an external service that you can go perform and also earn money. I've seen 10 cents, 12 cents, 26 cents, and 100 cents equals what? $1 US. So by doing this, you're actually what? Earning some money for yourself on the side to actually pay for the utilities and also invest in other businesses for yourself. Okay? Also, we have got paid quizzes. So I love this. Very short and simple. Everyone can do it. Even an 8-year-old child can do this and accumulate. Okay, you can see potentially you could earn up to $20 today by completing these quizzes. So how will an extra maybe $50 or above make for you in a day when you don't have to pay anything for it? This is really very simple to do and you don't have to miss this. And also you can promote, not just record YouTube videos about PAIDERA and you submit to them, you earn 15 cents per video. What is accepted? You see, wow. I just submitted one. Now I'm paid 15 cents. Okay. So it's very interesting. Let's look at the payment proofs and reviews. Okay. These are earnings of members. Okay. People are earning every day now. They are being paid $30. Have you seen it? This is real PayPal money, real PayPal money. This is free of cost. Everyone can do it. Everyone can do it. Don't waste your time elsewhere. This is free. You're not paying it to anybody. Just turn your time into money, real cash for yourself. Check the description of the video. You can create your free account and start earning today. Fill your PayPal account with money that you can use to pay for the bills. You can use to start other businesses. That is it. PAIDERA is very easy. So go check it out in the description of the video. Please consider subscribing to my channel as I'll be uploading more videos to help you make money online. Thank you very much. If you have any question, leave it in the comment aspects. I'll be happy to attend to you. Bye. Thank you.